Hello children, I hope all are fine. Okay, today reproduction in plants. You learn, clearly observe. Okay, we see many plants around us. They grow almost everywhere. Life on earth is sustained due to plants. Plants supply us food and oxygen. Do you remember what other things plants provide us? Plants are significant not just in our life but for animal also. What would have happened if plants were limited in number? They would have exhausted long time back. So fortunately plants reproduce. Plants reproduce to continue their kinds on earth. So they reproduce and grow 5 different ways. Plants reproduce from seeds. Some plants reproduce from their body parts and spores. Reproduction from seeds. So a seed germinate, get favorable condition: air, water, warmth and soil. Once again I repeat, the favorable condition like air, water, warmth and soil. This is very important for seed germination. Okay. Next, the importance of seeds. Fruit and vegetables that we eat come from seed plants. All flowers are produced by seed plants. Most of the plants on earth are seed plants. How do you think they become a successful group? Reproduction involving pollen and seeds. A seed germinates to produce a baby plant or seedling. A baby plant grows, gradually becomes an adult plant. Adult plant bears flowers. Flowers change into fruit. Fruits may have single seed or many seeds and varying from plant to plant. Fruits dry up and seeds are scattered away from the mother plant. Why do plants produce many seeds? All seeds do not grow into new plants. Some seeds are eaten by humans and animals. Some seeds are destroyed rain, wind, heat. Some seeds are poorly developed. Some seeds do not get favorable conditions for germination. Part of your seed. Look at the picture carefully. This is very important. So the epicotyle will become shoot, leaves and stems. Hypocotyle, connection between cotyledon as radicle. Radicle, baby root. Cotyledon, seed leaf. So this is important one. So another one, part of your seed. A seed is hard and dry. It does not easily break up. To study the structure of seed, soak some gram seeds in water and leave them overnight. What will you observe? Next morning you will observe that seeds have grown bigger and softer. The seeds have absorbed water and swallowed up. A seed has a small hole through which water is absorbed. Below the hole you will see a scur. This is where the seed was attached to the fruit. The hard coat covering seed becomes soft in water, can then be taken out easily. Outer covering protects the seed is called seed coat. Removing the seed embryo. The embryo has a baby shoot and a baby root. Cotyledons also called monocot, dicots. Monocots example rice, wheat and dicot example bean, beer. So these are important for the parts of your seed. Then receiving favorable conditions, embryo grow, become a seedling. The baby should grow upward from the stem and leaves. The baby root grow downward to form the root. Seed germination. So this is important one. Look at the picture carefully. So The process of seed develop into seedling is called germination. So once again repeat, the process the seed develop into seedlings is called germination. To germinate, a seed needs proper amount of air, water and warmth. These are essential for germinating seeds. So, oxygen in the air is needed to obtain energy from the food reserves in cotyledons. Water softens the seed coat that helps the baby plant to come out it easy. Warmth makes the embryo active for the growth. In germination, at first baby root comes out, the soft seed followed by baby shoot. The root grows downward, while the shoot grows upward. Tiny cotyledons or seed leaves open on the shoot and carry out photosynthesis for some time. Baby plant is called seedling. Seedling grows, develop true leaves. Cotyledons shrink and disappear. Seedling grows to become young plant. Are you clear? Okay, students. Pollination, agents of pollination. This is important one, you learning clearly. Okay, students. Insect and wind, water, animals. What are they? Insect, wind, water, animals. They are called agents of pollination. Insect, bright colored flowers attract insect, which tend to sit. These flowers, pollen grains stick to the insect bodies and are transferred when the insect goes to another flower. Wind, wind carries pollen grains that are very light. Water, aquatic plants releases pollen grains and water carries pollen grains for pollination. And the animals known as good pollinator of the flowers, hummingbirds and nectar feeding birds. Seed dispersal. This process, seeds are scattered away from the mother plant to four or places is called seed dispersal. So the plants need sunlight, air and water for proper growth. Plants grow close to each other, complete for space, air, water, minerals and sunlight. If all seeds fall near the mother plant and close to each other, they will compete with each other. As a result, many seeds will fail to germinate. Seeds need to be scattered away from mother plant. As plant seeds cannot move their own, nature has arranged some agent. So these agents are wind, water, animals and explosion. What are they? Wind, water, animals, explosion. Seeds dispersal by water. So this is important for the example of lotus plant and another one coconut tree. So now the seeds plant which grow water or near water get dispersed by water. The fruit and seeds have floating structures. So the coconut fruit has a fibrous coat which help to float in winter. Then another one, lotus plant has a spongy structure which bears the fruit, float easily and can travel far away. Okay, this is important for seed dispersal by water. So the example for lotus plant, another one coconut tree. Animals. Animals example for dispersal by animals. We and many animals eat fruit like mango, apples, watermelon, lychee, etc. Many fruits are available. So many fruits eaten by human and animals. Okay. So and throw away the seeds in this way. We disperse the seeds of the plants. Squirrel hides seeds at different places and often forget about that. This helps in seed dispersal. The fruit of some plants like xanthemum and urena have hooks and bristles. These fruit get attached to the hair and skin of grazing animals and get dispersed from one place to another. These fruits can also stick to our cloth. Wind dispersal, this is important one. So some plants such as Tentalion have seeds that act as parachutes, so which are carried away by the wind. Okay, this example for Tentalion. So another one, some seeds are light in weight, they can easily get carried away by wind. So they have modified parts like hair and wings. In some plants, fruits have wings. Okay, so the example for cotton seed has fluffy hair around it, and medlar seed has tuft of hair, and dandelion seed has hair, and kiptage fruit has wings. Dispersal by explosion. So this is another important one. Some fruits scatter their seeds by exploding seed pods. Okay, the seeds are ripe or pods have dried. Buds open and the seeds are scattered. For example, pods of scurrying cucumber and spread their seeds by explosion. Okay, so another example, a pear pod burst open and explosion. Okay, so some fruits, pear, cranium and possum burst open and become dry, and which seeds and jump out and the fruit and gets dispersed. Students, take your classwork note. Only one short answer. What is called seedling? So in germination, at first baby root comes out of the soft seed followed by baby shoot. The root grows downward and the shoot grow upward. The tiny cotyledons or seed leaves open on the shoot and carry out photosynthesis for some time. This baby plant is called seedling. Children, you have fast write and your handwriting should be very neat. Okay. Homework. Students, you have learned reproduction in plants. So some important points, and the reproduction from seeds and parts of a seed, and seed germination and seedling, and next the parts of seed and seed dispersal. What are the methods? Wind, water, animals and explores, and some plants, monocot, dicot plants, an example. Okay, so homework. Fill in the blanks. A seed germinates when it gets air, water, soil and dash. The embryo grows to become dash. Seeds of dispersed by dash. Apple is a dash crop.